Guys, I'm still here in South Korea to give you more updates on what's happening in the markets. No, so what my wife is trying to figure out where we're supposed to go. I think we're a bit lost right now. We were supposed to go to another place, but we ended up going here. Allow me to give you an update on what's happening on the markets based on yesterday's closing prices and based on technical analysis also as a whole. So I'd like to talk about BDO first. BDO is still in a downtrend. No? So if you are a position trader, please stay away from BDO still until we actually see a significant breakout from its downtrend and its significant resistances. No, so I think the next short-term resistance is around 138 pesos per share, and it's consolidating around those levels. Should it fail to break out from that, I think BDO can just consolidate from 130 to 138 over the short term. No, there's no specific reversal signals yet as specified by the stock, as seen from the stock as well. Then you have Ali, which is still in a downtrend. Ali hasn't broken any significant resistance levels yet. Ali is also at the resistance at 41.4. So what does that mean? If it fails to break out of that this Monday, no, you can expect it to retrace and go back to around 39 pesos per share. So Monday, watch out for Ali. Failure to break out of that resistance level, it can possibly go back to 39 for position traders. The stock is still bearish, no buy signal yet. You can stay away because it's still bearish from a position trading point of view. AGI, as what we've noted in the previous stocks by request, it failed to break out of its resistance, hence the past movement downward, hence the strong movement downward with the stock. So something's interesting though for AGI. We're seeing it sort of go back to its support range. So watch out for AGI in the next few days. If it goes back and bounces back from its support level, it might be something interesting for you to watch out for. The support level is at 12 pesos per share. So if you see AGI go back to around 12 pesos per share, it might be something interesting, might be something useful for you to pick up from a quick trading perspective. So Ali, from a position trading perspective, is still bearish. AGI, AGI is even more bearish than Ayala Land, but it's going towards oversold levels and it's going back to its support level. So quick trade there can be from as what I mentioned earlier, 12 to 14 pesos per share na 12 to 14 pesos per share na trade for you guys. Then we have Vita. Watch the 3.1 peso level for Vita. For it to progress higher, it must stay above that level. No, failure to go above that, failure to stay above that it may cause it to retrace further. And as you've noted from the past stocks by request sessions, 3.1 to 2.88 are the next support levels that you need to watch out for Vita. Mega Wide is still up, progressing in its upward movement, progressing in its uptrend. So if this continues, target price for Mega Wide is still pegged at around 25 pesos per share based on its breakout from 22. So that's it for now. Tomorrow we will be ready for our stock smart sessions here in Korea. So I'm excited to meet you guys, for our kababayans that are here. For those of you guys attending, I hope that you guys have fun tomorrow and you learn a lot. You have to remember that technical analysis is one of the best ways for you to be able to trade the markets with ease and confidence and without any fear or use of emotion. You have to remember, the more you rely on your emotions, the more you stay away from your logic, and as you stay away from your logic, that's when losses happen. So yeah, I know, are we okay already, or are we still lost?
Not lost.
We're not lost?
I think so.
Or where are we going now?
Yeah, I wanted to go to the first place.
Where?
Let's go.
Say bye-bye.